My name is Young Chilaga, the artistic director for Chilinde Children's Astro. This group is so marvelous. They want to perform at the Madison Little Theatre on the 5th of February 2016. Welcome. Come and enjoy with guys.